Hey everybody, this is Miss Smith. I've had several people messaging me and emailing me about how to get to Canvas. So I figured I would do a real quick video to show you how to do that. So you're going to go to Google Chrome and you'll see a new tab screen, and you're going to go to DuplainSchools.net. And it's going to load, and when you get here, you're going to click on the top right hand side, Our Schools, and click on BF Grady, and BF Grady's page will load. So then when you're on BF Grady's page, you're going to scroll down, and feel free to pause this video and keep up with me as we go. And you're going to click on this button that says NC Ed Cloud. Click on that and you'll see this page come up with all these buttons. You're going to click on the yellow button. And the reason I say the yellow button and not this red button is because it's going to make you log into NC Ed Cloud anyway. And if you're already logged into NC Ed Cloud, you can go ahead and get to Canvas, you can get to iStation, you can get to your PowerSchool. So this allows you to have more options. So you'll see this come up. Your username is going to be your student number. That's my student number, I guess you could say. You're going to hit go, and then your password is going to be grade 7 2020 with a capital G, and you're going to hit go. Yours won't say that. Now it may prompt you to change your password. If it does, go ahead and change it to something whatever you want it to be, but make sure that you write your new password down, okay? If you forget your password because you didn't write it down, that's okay. You're going to need to email me or Miss Garris, and we can change your NC Ed Cloud from our NC Ed Cloud. We can change your password. Okay, so once you're logged in to your NC Ed Cloud, you'll see all these little buttons. You probably have less, but you'll see iStation like you used last year. You'll see your PowerSchool and all that jazz. And up here in the top left corner, we'll say Canvas, okay, and it'll have the red circle. So click on that, and this will take you to your dashboard. Your dashboard will look just like this. You'll have all your courses listed that you're enrolled in, and this goes through PowerSchool, so it should already be in there for you. Okay, so just say you want to go to my class for English. You're going to click on that. Okay, and this is what you'll see. Now mine looks a little bit different, so let me go to the student view. Okay, so yours will look just like this. All right, now there is a way in here that you can download your coursework for my class and for any class. Okay, sorry about that. I had to figure out how to do it. So for those of you who have limited access to internet or no internet at all, what we're going to have you do is you're going to have to go somewhere that has internet, like the school and sit in the parking lot, the library by the Armart, Snow Hill Church, a neighbor's house, anywhere that has internet that you can get on and log into your Canvas, okay? So you're going to have to go there maybe like once a week, and you can actually download your work to your Chromebook, okay? And it doesn't matter if this is the Chromebook that you're sharing. It doesn't matter if this is a personal computer. You can download your work and you can work on it when you're not online. So the way to do that is when you click into a class, you're going to see the home screen, okay? And it'll say home over here to the left. So you're going to go to modules. Okay, and up here in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see Export Course Content. So you're going to click that button. Okay, and it might take it a second if there's a lot of stuff on here, you know, that it has to download. It may take it a little bit. Okay, so now let me see if I can move my little screen thingy. Hang on just a second. Okay, I'm moving my screen. Now, see down here it says Smith ELA Grade 7 Zip. You can open that up and you'll see it in your downloads. Okay, then you click on the folder and hit Viewer, File, and everything will be in there. Okay, it may be jumbled up. It may be here, you know, however, oh shoot. It'll probably look different on your computer. These Macs are a lot different than the Chromebooks. But anyway, if that does not work for you, please let me know. This is all going to be trial and error. We're all going to have to play around and figure it out together. You know, us teachers, we've never done this either. So please make sure that you are trying your best to keep up and letting us know of any issues that you have. And if you have any questions, let us know. Alrighty?